There is a silence deeper than noise, a kind of knowing that doesn't shout. Belief stands firm even when it's wrong, but knowledge, real knowledge, invites doubt, revision, and growth. Belief is a wall, knowledge is a window. We are raised to believe, in nations, in gods, in stories passed down without question. But belief asks for loyalty, not understanding. It's rooted in emotion, culture, fear, rarely in evidence. Knowledge, on the other hand, is humble. It changes when better truths emerge. It doesn't claim certainty, it seeks clarity. Galileo believed the earth stood still. Then he knew it didn't. When we confuse belief with truth, we defend the indefensible. We stop listening. We stop learning. Belief divides. Knowledge connects. Wars are fought over beliefs. But knowledge, true knowledge, builds bridges. It's how we discovered antibiotics, understood atoms, and decoded the human genome. Not through faith, but through asking better questions and being brave enough to be wrong. So the question is, are we defending what we've been told to believe, or are we seeking what's actually true, even if it makes us uncomfortable? In a world overwhelmed by certainty, maybe the wisest among us are the ones still asking. Believe if you must, but always know why. Because the future doesn't belong to those who believe the loudest. It belongs to those who understand.